Hey everybody, this is Dave Blair, and it's mine. Just bought the 2025 KTM 390 Enduro R, which should be Explorer, and they put these AEO Power Sport, that's where I bought it from, in Mesa. But yep, it's mine. Now I just got to get it home in one piece. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, this is the first time on the freeway here. Yeah, the wind might be a problem. Alright, 65 miles per hour here, and it's comfortable. I'm almost 70, so yeah, so 70 miles an hour. The mirrors are a little buzzy. I mean, I can see this what's behind me, but yeah, the wind in the chest is a little annoying, but it's not bad. I mean, this is not bad at 70 miles an hour. And again, I still have plenty of passing power right there, 76. So it's brand new. It's got 4 miles on it, so I don't want to, ring it out top speed, but I'm pretty confident this should hit 90. It should be able to cruise at 90 for me. And again, I didn't buy this to go on the freeway with it, but sometimes you have to. But the seat, really comfortable. Alright, so just got off the freeway and dealing with traffic now. And again, the seat is comfortable. I have no complaints. It actually feels good. The wind on the chest is a bit much, but that's to be expected. There is no, you're getting full wind at 75, 80 miles an hour, but it doesn't feel bad. Matter of fact, I mean, when it's hot, it feels good. It's your form of air conditioning. Yeah, trying to get used to the clutch again. This is actually very flickable in and out of traffic too. Not bad. Alright, so when I picked up the bike, I had my camera zoomed in. I don't know, my camera settings have just been all over the place for some reason. Like I'm some kind of rookie. But yeah, I was doing 80 on the highway, and people were like blowing by me. I don't know. Alright. Ride mode. Off-road. Okay. Configure off-road. Traction control. Off-road. Off. Display mode. Standard. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I wanted to be in off-road mode, but I wanted the RPM. So that's how you do that. And traction control is off. I think if I hold this, ABS deactivated. Alright, so there it is. My off-road bike. And couldn't wait to get out here and get it off-road a little bit. So this will be a first run. And yeah, we'll see how it does. Alright, just a couple trails. I don't want to get it too dirty. So I've got the ABS off, traction control off, it's in off-road mode, and it's got the RPMs on there, or tachometer. I haven't done anything to the suspension, so this is the way they gave it to me. It's a lot lighter than my KLR. Whoa, Sandy. Whoa. That sand still grabs the front wheel though. This isn't even as sandy as it can get, but this is the type of deep sand that we're talking about here. And again, I've been in worse. I don't think that you know, I want to go much faster off-road than this bike is capable of, so it's like, yeah, this is an exploring bike for me, not no need to come out here and, you know, it's not a race bike, even though it says ready to race when you start it up. I'm also trying to decide if I need the handlebars up a little more. Like I'm bent over a lot with the riding position where the handlebars are at right now. And I guess there's 3 different height adjustments on here. I wonder if they have it set in the low position right now. I don't know. There's other people out here. Yep, somebody teaching their kid how to ride. I didn't even think about other traffic out here. Alright, this is the real sandy section that, oh, I hated coming through here on my KLR, but alright, this is pretty bad, but it's not as bad as the KLR, at least. Oh my gosh. That is deep sand. Again, I've been in deeper, but that's pretty deep. It doesn't seem to pull the front tire as much as my other bikes. Probably because this one's lighter, I don't know. What the hell is that? Oh, coyote. That was a big one too. There's houses right there. Yeah, the other advantage this has is it's lower to the ground than my KLR or my Honda Africa Twin, so it feels easier to put a foot down if I have to. Although I haven't really had to. And also, the more time I spend on this bike, the more comfortable I get with it. But out of the 3 motorcycles that I've taken around this off-track loop here, this is probably the most comfortable that I've experienced. And again, I could go faster probably on this one than I did the other 2, but again, this is my, well, I haven't had a whole lot of time on this yet. I think I've got maybe 40 miles on this thing so far. Yeah, I'd say the handlebars feel a little low. But other than that, that was my first off-road ride. Not bad. Alright, thanks for watching.